me again, Jackie. Please join me for a quick unboxing video of my new baby who has finally arrived after several months. I actually got her from Hong Kong, CC Toys. I think around July, August last year. And it has arrived in Philpo's EMS Pasay branch, I think sometime September 9, 2021. Pero ngayon lang siya na-deliver. Meron daw mali dun sa address or shipping details code that the seller put in, kaya they were unable to deliver the package to me ahead of time. But okay lang, nandito na siya and I'm very excited to unbox her with you. Okay, so here goes. Actually, trivia lang, hindi ko naman ginagawa yung videos ko to have an unboxing video to upload talaga. I just do this so that pag may defect yung item, meron akong proof na gano'n na siya upon unboxing pa lang. And it would be easier to transact yung returns or refund with the sellers. So yun lang. So ito siya. Ito yung baby ko from CC Toys, Hong Kong. I hope I'm holding it the right way kasi walang nakalagay kung ano yung kanyang side up. But let's see. I'm excited and I hope you enjoy seeing her the first time with me. Okay? Ito na siya. Yeah, Takara Tomy Blythe doll. Blythe, Takara Tomy Blythe. And then, ito na. Buksan na natin siya ulit. As you can see, oh, ganda. Naku, nalaglag na yung skirt niya. Ayan siya. Ayan. Pero ito na siya, guys. Ang ganda niya. This is my first original Blythe doll. Ayan. So, this is a Takara Tomy Blythe doll. It's an original. It's Longing for Love. I haven't really decided on a name yet. When I was buying... Sorry. When I was buying her, I was actually thinking I will name her Lumi. L-U-M-I, for the girl who came but cannot stay for long from the... Kaya lang, naisip ko now, since hubby and I have started rewatching the Witcher na series in Netflix, I've decided na I think I might just name her Yennefer or Yenna from the main character from the film. So yun. Isipin ko pa kung bubuksan ko pa siya isa-isa to take out the items. But for now, I think no, ina-eyeball ko lang siya. Ang ganda-ganda niya and I'm so happy. Okay, thank you!